Hello, this is Evelyn and the people them knows. And me one never know say Aishana massacre the long time. Aishana, the eco rights boss, take the Instagram and post this picture and others to wish massacre happy birthday. Hooray! But the people not stop. Tag footer and footer say are the wrong people, man. You fit tag unruly boss. Yes, you fit tag Papi. Hey, hey. In other news, DHQ head Tapanika don't win the people their money. Yes, my girl enter the city girls twerk 25k challenge and done the Yankee girl them. Here's a little clip. Exactly. Now here's Anton with the weather.
We don't have that.
Boy, I have nothing about you, you see. Yo, wanna bring him back again.